You're sounding good out there. I just listened to your talk show. Any conditions yet on Florida? I'm gonna wave that Form 1 out there at you, 351. You have a great day. Your friend Doorknob down here in Music City.
Yeah, man, hey, Doorknob, I heard you in there earlier, man, but it was rough. A whole bunch of them were in there all at the same time, but, man, I got you up in my radio real good right now. Hey, Doorknob, take care. Have a good weekend. Your 351 Stampow's gone again.
I had you about 2 pounds when you didn't hear me good, and now I got you about 10. You're right there at the edge on our end. Hey, 73s, sounding real good out here like you always do, 351. I'm going to get in here with that breakfast. Doorknob down here in Music City, go.
If I get on my DXN nice and early, then I don't have to do a whole bunch of talking for the rest of the day, and I seem to have pretty good conditions right now, and you do too also. Hey, Doorknob, take care. Your 351 is gone.
429, come on back here to Triple Nickle, Pennsylvania.
Triple Nickel, got you two on my receiver coming out of that Keystone. Triple Nickel, take care.
Damn, at 104351, thank you. I just want to see if I can reach you. See ya, take care.
Real good copy, man. Up in the red, man. I just bumped the beam over that way. I was talking to Doorknob. So, hey, take care. Have a good weekend, man. Sounding good. Up in the red on my receiver. Your 351 is gone.
104351, thank you.